Now we're gonna move on to the bags. Let's start with this one. This is her in all her glory. The logo doesn't look great, but it's her. She's really cute. She's small, but she's really good. And it also has this chain. So this is her side. I like it. I think it's really cute. Oh, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. It's very small and has the little thing right there. 5.3 out of 10. Then we have this bag. This is her. Inside, you have the crossbody strap, and you also have the shoulder warmer. This is what it looks like on the inside. The tag is absolutely horrible. It's like crooked and the stitching is like messed up, but the outside is fine. I will say though, I think the wording is too big. Side 6 out of 10 because I think most of the imperfections are not that bad, but she's very cute. Next bag is a Gigi. Then the others. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Look at her. She feels really good. Yeah, I am very happy with this one. It comes with the crossbody strap and the shoulder chain. That feels heavy too, so that's really good. This is what it looks like on the inside. Just nice material, and you have the logo right there. This is her, and this is her from the side. Very cute. I will give this one a 10 out of 10. This is the last bag that we have, and she's really pretty. It's like this, and you have the logo. This is her. I would also, she feels a little flimsy, but I don't think it's supposed to look like that, but it looks really nice, and that's all that matters. Actually, there's some, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like some scratches and stuff on her, so that's not nice, but whatever. I will still wear her. So that was everything that I got. I'll give that haul a 7 out of 10. Could be better, but that's what we have for now.